Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, look at this. Bitcoin broke out here and perfectly once again hit our price targets. And the question right now is, of course, is this right now, this rejection, the blow off top and Bitcoin is going to go lower? Well, I want to tell you exactly what has to happen that I am out of my Bitcoin positions. I want to talk about one specific price level we have to hit to say that I am actually scaling out of my trades. But I want to talk about the other scenario. I want to talk about whether we are potentially breaking here the previous high and going higher to our next price target. And this price target is basically here unbelievable in the Bitcoin charts right now. Guys, this is the most bullish news I have seen since ages. Look at this. A multi-billionaire, the richest man of Mexico, just announced that he has put 10%, 1.8 billion of his net worth into Bitcoin. What does this mean for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term? I want to talk about that. I will be showing you my trade on Bybit here, $130,000 in a profit. Chris, when are you finally going to take profits? Another trade here. I just opened it a few days ago over on Femex, $79,000 in a profit. This night I already took $32,000 in profits here just tonight. I will be telling you exactly why I did that. I will show you much more trades, and always remember in the pin comment, if you're an experienced trader, I have the highest bonus on Bybit for you, $610 completely for free. So guys, make sure you take a seat. You watch this video until the very end, where I am going to be revealing not only my price targets, but also my game plan for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Make sure you sit down, you scroll down, and you smash up the like button to a new all-time high, 7,000 likes. Yesterday's video got nearly 6,000 likes, guys. You are record breaking. Thank you so much for that. Press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. Thank you so much for making so much noise for the algorithm. You are truly the most supportive crypto family in the world. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this here, Bitcoin actually broke out of this rising channel. And as you can see, and I also mentioned that in the video a few hours ago, I actually made it during the night here, during the last night, Bitcoin broke out and also hit perfectly here our price target. I was actually mentioning not only throughout the last few days, but even here for a few weeks, because it is a Fibonacci extension level. And the question right now is, of course, is this right here a blow off top? Is this the end of the rally, or is it just another pit stop for Bitcoin to go higher? Well, there are some signs in the charts, some good signs, some bad signs. I want to take them all together and see here what it means for the Bitcoin price right now. Well, as you can see here, after Bitcoin actually broke out, there are some bad things and some good things evolving. First of all, you can see that we here on the hourly candles recreated a lower high for Bitcoin. This could be considered an M pattern, but so far we didn't confirm the breakout or the breakdown of this M pattern, since the low we are creating here is a higher low for Bitcoin. But on the flip side, that means in case we are breaking this neckline here, this imaginary neckline, Bitcoin could have more downwards momentum. We could break this level here and go significantly lower for Bitcoin. I will be showing you one specific target where I will be saying, guys, here I am going to take even more profits. I already took profits. Last night I took profits as well. I will be showing it to you, of course, completely transparently. But there's one specific level where I will be saying, guys, maybe we are having a trend change here. Maybe I should take more profits out of my positions. I want to show you exactly where this point is, and I want to show you exactly what my game plan right now is for Bitcoin. Another thing I actually like here, and I haven't seen Bitcoin so indifferent for a very long time, giving so many mixed signals here, are these long wicks on the downside. So what you can see here on the hourly candles is we had massive dumps. So far, the bulls are fighting back. The bulls are buying up these dumps here, creating these big wicks on the downside. The same thing is happening right now with the rejection here at the lower high. This was usually considered to be something bearish. Bitcoin was dumping down just a few seconds ago. This is one of the reasons why I made the video, and the bulls are right now once again buying up the dump here, creating this very big wick and also creating a higher low for Bitcoin. So what could be evolving here, let's wait and see, of course, could be a new pattern who knows? Bitcoin is very impatient right now, but if a pattern here evolves, of course, we could have some trading opportunities if you connect the wicks like here, the bodies, or if you connect the wicks, maybe it would be a bigger one. Let's wait and see what actually happens here. But so far, really, I haven't seen Bitcoin so indifferent for a long time. So far, I like that we are having a higher low for Bitcoin. I like that we are creating these big wicks. I want to talk about my price target, but before, I want to talk about one specific level where I am saying, well, I am scaling more out of my trades here. For this, I want to go over to the 4-hourly candles. We could do it on the daily candles as well. And one of the reasons why we are bullish at MMCrypto since 7,000, since 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, why we didn't change our buys is one specific reason. Because we are in a bull trend. We were discovering the bull trend, and we told you every single time the trend is our friend until the end. And whenever we are having these retracements, we remain in our bullish buys as long as the trend is basically broken. So you can see Bitcoin creating new higher lows throughout the last few weeks and months. It was absolutely amazing. And what I was saying is that this will end at one specific point of time. Whether it's ending now or not, who knows? We don't have this crystal ball. But one thing we can do for sure, we can say, what is the point where we can say that with a high degree of certainty, Bitcoin is creating a trend change? We could take this low here, the low we actually created recently here. It is approximately at the 15,700 US dollar level. And I could say, once we are breaking this neckline, once we are going below this line, it is likely that Bitcoin is going down for a retest of this low. If we are creating a double bottom, fine. If not, I could imagine Bitcoin even going lower to the 14,300 US dollar levels. And these are the previous low we have to hold. Once this one here and at least this one here. Otherwise, we would for sure create a lower low for Bitcoin and also create a trend change. And in this case, I could say, well, maybe we have a few weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks correction for Bitcoin, maybe even 30-35% to the downside. So far, I am not seeing that yet. I am waiting here on the sidelines, and I am not flipping bearish on my short-term bias as long as Bitcoin is not creating this lower low, and as long as Bitcoin is not confirming the trend change. I have to remain bullish here. And of course, I can change it, but yeah, this is just the game plan right now. This is exactly the game plan I was going for a very long time, and so far it was going very well. And of course, you remember we took so many profits already. I will be going directly here into my trades, but the next take profit area would be actually below this level. As you remember, Bitcoin hit perfectly our level at 17,700, 17,800 US dollars, the 3x Fibonacci extension level. The next one would be, and I tell you guys, right now, it is not at all confirmed that we are hitting it. But if Bitcoin continues this trajectory towards the upside, the next level would be just among the 20,000 US dollar levels, just below. Actually, this target is above, but I would be taking profits below the previous all-time high, below the 19,700 US dollars, below the 19,700 US dollars would be my personal target. But the only way I can say, guys, we are probably going to this level is when we are knocking out the previous high we actually created during the last night, and that is the 18,470 US dollar levels. Putting everything together, guys, I have for a long time not seen so many mixed signals for Bitcoin. And this is the reason why I have 3 trades. One trade, the long-term trade, I didn't take any profits. Another trade, actually the very old one, I took full profits on it. Then I have my short-term trade on Phemex I opened 3 days ago. I already took part profits here in this night. And my Bybit one, I also took part profits. So you can see my strategy is also indifferent. Let me go over here to my trades. So as you can see right here, this is my trade over on Bybit, 127,000 US dollars in profits. Here I already took like 60 or even more thousand US dollars in profits. And here I am going to take more profits along the lines once I can see here that the Bitcoin trend is changing. I want to make sure that I take a lot of profits home. Then I have another trade, and this is the long-term trade. I'm not going to take any profits here. I am going to ride it much longer. This is this one, 185,000 US dollars in a profit, but this is boring right now. I will just leave it open. More importantly, here is the short-term trade, and this is this one over here. As you can see, it is 72,000 US dollars in a profit, and this one here, that's that's important, guys. 32,000 US dollars realized profit and loss. I took already 32,000 US dollars in profit. So this should already give you a sign that I am not only saying that we should be cautious, that I am actually cautious. I am taking profits already, and I am decreasing the position sizes on Bitcoin, the long position sizes on Bitcoin I am currently having, because I can tell you, the higher we go, the higher the likelihood that the next retracement is finally going to come. And yeah, I told you already my next price target, but I want to make sure, guys, that you are going home with profits. This is why I am giving you these take profit areas, why I am telling you guys, please take profits along the lines, because there will be the chance here to open the next trade. And if you are standing on the sidelines, well, the next trade is coming very soon. I will be telling you exactly what trade I might be opening, a pattern breakout trade, a bounce from a specific support line. I want to talk about that. And I want to tell you also, if you are standing on the sidelines, just go to the pinned comment down below. If you are an experienced trader, you can get 610 US dollars for free. If you scroll down and you click this specific link here, after using our code here without the star and hitting the deposit requirements, you can get 610 US dollar for free if you are an experienced trader for your own first trade over there. And I use this exchange all the time. On 610 US dollars, the 20x leverage is approximately a 12,000 US dollar trade, completely for free, not even touching your own money, only using the bonus, and you can withdraw the free profits from this free trade, also from the exchange. So take advantage of that right now. And also, of course, you are supporting us. If you ever wanted to give something back, use the link in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for that. And also, guys, as I told you, the trade I would be trading is, of course, once we are having a new pattern, that would be a trade, but so far no pattern is confirmed here. And obviously, by the way, guys, one thing I wanted to mention, this could evolve to a diamond pattern. Who knows? Let's wait and see what happens, guys. I'm the first one to break the news, because it's so far it is not. So once the next pattern actually comes, I will be trading it. And of course, also I will be trading the 21-week EMA bounce here when we are getting it. But look, we are so far away, guys. We are so far away. And one thing is for sure, if you go back into the last bull market, when we are far away from the 21-week EMA, we usually go down and we retest it. And this is almost a certainty, guys. So if you are right now in moon boy mood, if you are right now completely freaking out, this video is made to bring you down. This video is made to tell you exactly, guys, you should be at least a little bit cautious right now, even though there could be more upside for Bitcoin. And the last ending note, guys, and this completely blew my mind. I posted this a few hours ago. This is huge. Ricardo Salinas Pliego, honestly, I didn't know him, but he is the richest man of Mexico with 11.8. I mean, guys, listen, 11.8 billion US dollars. He just announced that he has over 10%. This is 1.8 billion US dollars of his net worth in Bitcoin. These billionaires, they are coming out right now publicly. It is not a shame anymore to invest into Bitcoin. And this guy announcing something crazy like that, after we had already Paul Tudor Jones and many of these billionaires announcing insane news, that they are actually buying Bitcoin like crazy. This one, 10% is absolutely mind-blowing. That must be a huge believer. As a billionaire, you put in like 1%, 2% like Paul Tudor Jones. But this guy putting in 1.8%, this guy is probably already in significant profits. Do you actually think that the smartest and richest people in the whole world are buying Bitcoin because it's a joke, are buying Bitcoin because there is not a significant upside for the price? Do you really think that? And this is what I want you to keep in mind, guys. If Bitcoin, let's say we go to 19.7. Let's say we retrace to 13,000. Imagine the news articles. Bitcoin is just dumping again. We got rejected by the last all-time high. Once again, is the bear market starting? Well, keep all of these things in mind. These billionaires, they are not buying Bitcoin for no reason. They are buying Bitcoin because they know exactly what is going to happen, and they are not buying Bitcoin to make a joke out of themselves in front of their other billionaire friends. So this gives a lot of strength, a lot of confidence for the Bitcoin market. We have a very, very smart money joining the space, and this actually keeps me even more confident as I am already. I am extremely confident, and that's why I want to tell you guys, at one point of time we will break this curve, but whenever we break it, I am completely fine, because I know after a short retracement, we will continue towards the upside, because the bull market, in my opinion, has just begun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for using our links in the pinned comment down below, for scrolling down, smashing up the like button, pressing the subscription button, pressing the bell, and pressing on all. With that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, also follow me on at MMCrypto on Instagram with the verified check mark here. Make sure you follow me over there. I am sharing daily stories. And with that being said, click the subscription box right here, and also the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.